Hey folks, Jaybird here again. Today we're going to do a little tree trimming. And I got my handy dandy limb saw for that. So let's see what kind of damage we can do. I got my gloves. Helps to have gloves. Otherwise your hands get all scraped up and then you go to work and you look stupid. By the way, today is Thursday, August 16th. Happy birthday, Molly.
Next level. Next level.
So one trick I have learned is don't pile the limbs on top of your cord. So when you're cutting, make sure your cord doesn't get covered with limbs. I don't know if you could tell that from all the cutting, but cut so much and then clean it up and then cut some more. So it's about time to clean up.
Next level.
So, got some more cutting to do, but thought of something to tell you. When you pile the wood into your truck, be careful about it, because a new rear window on a Dodge Dakota pickup truck will cost you about $200. Don't ask me how I know that. So, last thing I'll say is I always cover my loads, even though it's only a mile to the dump. I cover everything, because like one branch in the road, I know it's a pain in the ass. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover it now while I'm thinking about it.
Next level.
Okay, so that should do it for this video. Just a reminder that this channel is not as much about me giving you advice as it is about me having a plea for your advice to me. So, if that makes sense. Okay, see ya. Oh, wrong hand. See ya.